you can use Python scripting to handle edge cases in your API backend. First, let me create a script. Let's call it script, and then let's go back to our endpoint. And there's a block to run Python scripts on your API endpoint. First, let me drag and drop this, and let me return the response as the result from this Python script. And for this block, you also need to select the Python script that we have just created. And let's create a hello world script. And let's run this API endpoint. See, the result is sent from the Python script. Similarly, you can create variables in your micro workflow. Let's call this, let's set this value to 13, and let's call this variable number variable, and let's see whether we can access this number variable from the Python script. Let's add 1 and return as the result. Let's run the endpoint. Yes, 1 is added through the Python script. Similarly, you can also create functions inside your Python script. Let's add 1 to this variable using this function. Let me run this and show you. Yes, still it returns 14. You can do anything, and also you can define arrays, and then you can, sorry, the wrong block. Let's create a number range. Let's generate numbers from 0 to 10 and store it inside an array. We'll call it array equal to array value, and let's delete this block. You can also use slicing for arrays using our Python script. So let me run this and show you. As you can see, this is the sliced variable. So the 0th element is 3 and so on. And you can also use .NET class libraries in your Python script. First, let me demonstrate how to use LINQ with your Python script. So let's import the necessary class libraries. Let's assign this value to an array. Now, since this is an array, we can use LINQ statements with the array using lambda functions. Let's run this endpoint now. Yes, as you can see, you can also use LINQ. So similarly, you can use all the other standard libraries that are available with .NET with your Python script.